I'm going to use some very easy technique to make adjustment to the arms and legs to turn the flat color into curves and forms. Now I'm come to do a little more in the leg area. Now I'm gonna have this a little bit darker color with the red Prussian blue to mix it. Now I'm gonna come here to make this a little bit darker. So showing that the curve turning this direction. Now I come to the other side. Okay. Good. I have a little bit colors to showing the fold. I'm gonna come to the side over here. I need to have a little bit more blue mixed into this color because one hand I want it a little bit darker. If I just want to change the color, have a little blue colors, I don't need to have the red, but in fact this color need to be darker, so I mix that with the red color too. Okay, good. This is the correct colors. A little bit red then. Good. Here you go. Okay, the same color render going through here. Now make it a little bit more consistent. And going through this side. At the bottom, I have a little bit more red. Okay, I'm gonna come to this side. Very similar colors. Take this. Like that, good. Very similar to the other side. Okay, get a little bit blue, a little red. Here you go. I'm gonna working on the arms. The arm just a little bit blue, so I'm gonna just get a little blue color. Let's see how it's gonna look like. I also add a little red. It should be a little bit darker than this, so add a little red in here. That's good. And the top over here a little bit darker, a little bit sharper contrast because there's a catch the shadow. So I'm gonna get a little bit blue and with this red. Okay. Now I'm going to apply that in this area. Look like can be a little bit more red. Okay, here you go. Get a little bit more red. Okay, this edge also a little bit sharper. But that probably a little bit too dark on this side. So keep checking. After you do something, check on it. And on this side, I need a little bit warmer, like this color. This color will be good. get a little bit darker than this. I already have the blue and the red color, so I'm gonna get a little bit red color in here. This is good. A little bit more red. Okay, now we're gonna working into the inside here. Probably a little bit too dark. Get this a little lighter color and try to extend it on this side. Okay. Continue on the lower part of the arm, which is on this side is darker and have a little bit more blue colors mixed with a little red because we want it to be a little bit darker, not just change colors. We want it a little bit darker. Here you go. This whole portion. So we can see the arm, it changed from here, change the direction of the surface. Here you go. Just good. Now we come to this arm. Let's get a little blue colors on the edge first. Okay. Okay. Like that. And going through over here, and here I have a little bit more blue on the edge. Now the top over here a little bit more yellow because it looks a little bit green with the blue colors and a little bit red, so it's not so bright. When the three color mixed together, it make a little bit more neutral. Okay, let's take a look. Start over here. Now I want to add a little bit red and continue this color, getting into the color of the arm, like that. This area also need to have a little bit of the yellow color in it. That's good. I'm gonna come down to the lower part. Now it looks like you need a little bit darker, so I'm gonna get the red and the blue colors to mix these two colors together, maybe a little bit red. Okay, now let's take a look. Start over here in the middle, now coming down. Okay, now I'm gonna continue render onto the hand, the same color. Good. Now I'm going to get a little bit more red, a lot more red for this shape, which is much warmer for this little pinky. Okay. Like that. Okay, little shape. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. There's a little shape for this side of the hand. Okay, now I can see over here, still need a little bit darker, so I'm gonna just use the mixture of the red and the blue for here. Okay, now looks like this can expand a little bit wider. Now just use the tip of my brush, suggesting that actually make the arm a little bit wider. Now I wash my brush. Now what I want to do, just use the water to extend it so it merge together with the existing colors.
That's great. Now you can see how easy that we can turn the flat colors with some minor adjustment to show the curves and forms of the arm and legs. Next, I'm going to start working to the head.